Get your toy. Oh, no. Okay. Here you go, Dex. Hold it tight. Hold it real tight. Hold it real tight. Don't let it go. Oh, Harry. Okay, let's let Dexy have a turn again. Hold it tight. Oh, come here, Hair. Bring it here. Bring it here. Here, Dexy. Hold it tight. Hold it real tight. Okay, Harry, gotta get it. Oh, good job. Dexy wants it again. Come here, Hair. Bring it here. Let's play again. Simon. Oh, she took it again. She took it again. Bring here. Bring here. Dexy's ready. Dexter's ready. Oh. Bring it here. There you go, Dex. Hold it tight. Hold it tight, Simon. Simon. Good job. Oh. That kitty is so strong. Is that a fun game? Is that a fun game with that kitty? Here you go, buddy. Okay, hold on tight. Hold on really tight. Okay, Harriet, go get it here. Go get it here. Get your toy. Hurry here, get your toy. Get it. Oh, right out of your hands. Oh, right out of your hands. Okay, Harry, bring it here. Bring it here, Harry. You good girl. Okay, Harriet. Go get it here. Go get it here. Get it. Dexy, you gotta hold on real tight. You gotta hold it real tight. Don't let her get it. Bring your hair. Is that funny? Bring your hair here. Bring hair for Dexy. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Bring it here. Okay, Dex, there it is. Hold on really, really tight. Oh, good one. Good one. You want to grab Simon, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Simon. Come here, hair. Simon. You can do it, Dex. You can do it, buddy. You can do it, buddy. All right. Good job. Oh. Oh. Good job, baby. Good job. Oh my goodness. Big boy. Get it, Harriet. Get it. Get it, Harriet.